They asked Budgie, "Isn't it too hard for you to fly around all the time? Don't your wings get tired?" He replied, "No, because I'm too light and I don't have that much weight." They went to an eagle and asked the same question. "You're so big and heavy. Don't you get tired of flying around all the time?" He answered, "No, because my wings are bigger and stronger than the budgie." If God puts you in a situation or faces you with a problem, that same God has already given you the power and the strength to face and adapt to that situation. So when you come out of that situation, you hold your head up so everybody would know how much you have grown.